Do you want to hear the sound of Earth's magnetic flip? Prepare to be spooked. Around 40,000 years ago, Earth's magnetic field flipped, and now we can hear it. Scientists translated satellite data into sound, revealing an eerie clatter. This flip weakened our protective shield, letting cosmic rays bombard Earth. Imagine your compass pointing south. Now that's the good news. The bad news is that it's speculated that the last time this happened, global climate change was a consequence, as well as the extinction of Australia's megafauna. Are we in the midst of the next flip, with stories of trumpets blasting through the atmosphere, ready to hear the sound of chaos?